Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring your iPhone is up to date and you're signed into your Apple ID. This avoids missing controls. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Privacy and Security, then Tracking. You need to flip the primary controls first, so make changes here before app-specific steps. Make sure background app refresh is reviewed as well because apps use it for ad delivery. This sets a secure baseline and prevents simple ad targeting from restarting after later steps. Now you disable tracking and personalized ads so ad networks can't assemble a profile. Turn off Allow apps to request to track. That stops new permission prompts and cuts cross-app ID sharing. Next, reset the advertising identifier to clear past signals, and then disable personalized ads under Apple Advertising to reduce ad tailoring. These steps reduce targeted ads. They won't remove all ads, but will make them less relevant and lower tracking. Make sure to check app permissions for any. Finish by blocking ads in Safari and apps. Enable Prevent Cross-Site Tracking and consider blocking cookies for web ads, then install a trusted content blocker and enable it under Safari extensions. For app-based ads, review app settings and disable in-app ad personalization where offered. If ads persist after these steps, reboot your iPhone, update apps, and if necessary reset network or all settings. That often clears cached identifiers. If nothing changes, one key troubleshooting tip is to revoke tracking permissions and toggle the advertising identifier reset again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.